Flashing firmware to the Electrosmith Daisyseed and Blackbox pedal platform is easy. To start, download your bin file of choice from the Caustic Effects GitHub repository and go to the Daisyseed web programmer with Google Chrome specifically. Next, open up the back of the Blackbox and plug in a data transfer micro USB cable to the Daisyseed. Hold down the right button and then press down the left button. The red light should stop blinking and turn into a solid color. This means the Daisyseed is now in bootloader mode. In the Daisyseed web programmer, load up any bin file of your choosing and press the flash button. After around 15 seconds, the red LED should start flashing again. This means the firmware flashing process was a success. You now have new firmware flashed to your Blackbox. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all things related to caustic effects and my work. Thank you.